What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, this is my beauty space where we talk hair, makeup, and fashion. Today I got some new wigs in the mail. Okay, it's time to put my hair back into its protective style, back into the braids, and I got some units that I'm super excited to show you guys. Wigs just allow me to switch up my look, switch up the style, and not have my hair heat damaged. And doing my hair is kind of hard. Okay, today I have this style, which is just like a half up, half down look with two pieces out in the front. Okay, I'm trying to switch it up and do some different looks and stuff. Wig Life gang, you know how exciting it is to get new wigs and new units. Oh my god, I can't wait till outside opens back up so we can go to the hair salon. But for now, you know, Wig Life gang, we can order our wigs from my favorite hairstylist online, and Carter Bate is my favorite hairstylist. He did my hair in college and still to this day slays my hair. So I called him up. I said, Brandon, I need my hair done. Hello, I need to be slaying even on quarantine, even with not going anywhere. Excited. Okay, only Wig Life gang knows. His hair company is called Carter Couture. Okay, Carter Couture luxury hair extensions. Oh, he sent me a candle. It says love you more. Oh, I want to light it. Let's light it. Let me tell you guys what I requested when getting my wigs done. So I wanted a wig that I can just put on that doesn't necessarily have to have adhesive to be on, because wearing the glue on your hair and having to just do a whole install, that is a lot. You know, I'm at home, I don't have a stylist that I can go to. I'm gonna be just, I want hair that's easy, that I can just put on, that I don't have to stress about. So that's basically what I wanted. These wigs are not full frontal wigs. They are 5x5 closures, meaning they're larger than a regular closure, but it doesn't go all the way down, so I don't have to glue down anything at all. Okay, so that's the magic about these. But I got a 26-inch long unit. This is straight out the box. Okay, no, I don't have to bleach nothing. It's already came bleached. Baby hair is already on it. The hair is really silky, feels really good. Ooh, okay, Carter Couture. All right, I'm back. I wrapped my hair and then I realized I don't have a wig cap, so I have a scrunchie just in case I need to put it in a ponytail so I can try on these wigs. Okay, let's start. Bad bitch. Okay. Oh wait, let me scoot over. Let me get bright. Oh, where's my brush? Where's my brush? I didn't throw it. Too excited. Okay, hold on. Let me get it together. Let me come up close for y'all. Okay, this is what the lace looks like. The lace is not cut off. Okay, this is not my hair. Okay, look at that lace. Look at the baby hairs. Look how plucked it is. Look how it's matching me. It matches. I have my black hair underneath this, but you see that part. Y'all see that it looks like my scalp and it's not. Do y'all understand why she's called bad bitch? Do y'all understand? Before I show you guys this one, these are the everyday girl wigs. Okay, so when I requested some new wigs, I wanted them in jet black. I wanted styles that would look like my natural hair, but that extra wig. And I didn't want any colors or anything. I wanted wigs that, you know, would resemble, like, you know, my hair. So the one I just showed you was the long, dramatic, glam, like bad bitch wig. This wig is a middle part with layers. Okay, let's see how she looks. Okay, so she's curled. Look how shiny. She's curled. All of them are parted, plucked to perfection. This is gonna look like my natural scalp when I put it on. And this unit is in, like, this is like I think like a 22 inch. So this is like definitely everyday. I can go to work in this, depending on where you work. Okay, maybe it's a little bit too long, but I can go to work in this. This is my school, this is my play, this is just my everyday wig that I can throw on. I can even go to the grocery store in this one, girl. I can go in the grocery store with this one. See, wait. Just wait. Bad bitch. She's long. She's extra, okay? This is, girl, I'm going to the club and I'm getting, well, definitely not a man, because you ain't finding no man in the club. I'm going to the club and I'm looking cute with my girls. This is bad bitch. This is, I'm putting on my outfit. This is, okay, every day. I love the curls. Yes, this is the wig that I would put flexi rods in and wake up like this every single morning. This is bad bitch. This is flexi rod, wake up, grab and go. Come on, natural hair, get in the cap. Get in the cap. Don't be like that. Of course, with braids, 100% flatter. Put the hair underneath there though. Okay, honestly, out of all of them, I really think like this is the everyday girl. She's not too long, okay? She comes a little bit like right under bra. And I love the layers. I feel like this would be really easy to maintain, just because you can pop a few more curls in it or put your little flexi rods in it at nighttime, and then you're waking up like this, ready to go. You see I just plopped that on my head? The lace isn't even cut off yet, y'all. The lace isn't even cut off yet, and it's just perfect. I don't even have no bands on. I don't even have a band on that's really securing this. Wait till my hair is braided up. Okay, we're on quarantine, but your hair does not have to be looking a mess, okay? Hit up, Brandon. Ah, love it. Look at that. Okay, next wig is a curly wavy unit. Let's fluff her out, okay? Let's fluff. Bring her back to life. She was in a box. Shake the wig. This wig is pool party. Might get thrown in the pool. Beach. Don't get my hair wet, but it can get wet, but don't get it wet. This is her. Wet and go. Wet and go. Love me some wet and go hair. Okay, and all these units smell good. They smell like the hair salon. Oh, I miss the hair salon. They smell really good though. They smell like hair salon product. Oh my god. Oh baby, I love this. You want to know what I love about this one? I love this one because although it's wavy and stuff, it's not too wavy. Like, this is not high maintenance hair. So my everyday girl collection of these units are not units that I have to spend a lot of time doing my hair. I didn't really want a curly unit that is a lot of maintenance. I wanted something that's like, you know, spray and you're good. A lot of girls just want to look good, but they don't want to have to do too much. So this curl pattern, it's wavy enough that you have wavy curl hair, but as you can see, it's still really silky. And I can run my fingers through this hair. So look at that. What this unit needs is just some spray bottle with a little bit of conditioner in it, and it's good. Which way did I wrap my hair? That way. Let's shift it a little bit. Okay. This is us shifting it a little bit. So I'm gonna have to decide, do I like the side part of this? This was made into a middle part, but you see how I just shifted it a little bit? Now this side is a little bit longer. I'm gonna have to pick. Because me shifting it back and forth might not work. But I like the way, I probably would layer it like that. Cut this off. So then it'll be like, y'all see what I think I'm gonna go for with this wavy hair? What y'all think? Don't cut it, keep it in the middle, do the side part, add more layers. Wig life gang, what y'all think? What y'all think I should do? But absolutely love this. Now the next wig is supposed to look like my natural hair. Child, I'm about to get my hair braided up and y'all not even gonna know the difference. Stop. I hope you guys can tell why these are called Everyday Girl. I wanted one that would look like my natural hair. I wanted a wavy one, and honestly these are 4. I could get another a tighter curl that resembles like my hair if it was in its natural state. A kinky curly, but this is a like deep wave, loose wave type of wave. And then I have my longer ones, and then also another one that I could get since I just got a wig collection now. Another one is an actual bob one. So this resembles natural hair. I could get like a bob. So I think the next two that I'm gonna get, look, I haven't even tried on none of these, and I'm talking about the next two. The next two I could get is a tighter curl pattern wig, and then a shorter bob type of wig. But I'm super excited about this because this is gonna look like my natural hair. Let's see what the natural hair is giving. My fake natural hair. Let's go. I'm trying to push my natural hair up in the wig. Right, let me take off the yellow. It's distracting me. It's upsetting me and my homegirls. Okay. Now I do have to run the flat iron through this because it's been in the box and the ends are kind of flipped out. But baby, this looks like my natural hair. Oh my God. Oh my God, look. Okay, this could definitely pass as my natural hair. It's not too, like, look at this. Okay. Body movement feels really silky, feels good. Okay, I'm gonna be fooling somebody. I wonder, can I fool? I love this unit because this feels like my natural hair, but it's not. So if I ever want to, I'm in braids and I'm trying to not put heat on my hair, I can put on her. The other things in my package is needle and thread for my bands. The band didn't come on, but that's okay. So when I try them on, I will know where I want the band to go. So as far as me needing to know where the band should go, let me just open it up so you guys can see. This is what the band looks like. Okay, and this is not one of those hard bands at all. I'm super excited. Okay, so what I would do with the band is I'll put the band like kind of ear to, well, that's more than ear, like temple to temple. Determine like how tight I want it to be, and then that would be the piece that I cut off, and then I would sew it onto the wig at that same spot. So wherever when I try on the wig, wherever the wig is that I feel like that, you know, feels right, that's where I will sew on the wig cap, the band. And the band is basically going to make sure that your lace closure is laying flat to your head, looks seamless, look like your natural hair, and it doesn't come off. Like, you're not going to feel like, oh, the wig's going to come off. You probably won't feel like it's going to come off, but you still want that. I like that extra, like, that extra, it ain't coming off. Like, I want to be able to move and the wig come with me. I don't want to move and the wig over there. Okay? Y'all, I'm in love with my everyday girl units. This one my favorite. No, but I like this one too. I like this one too. Oh my God, I like all of them, but then I like the natural hair too. But baby, I can switch it up and do whatever. Y'all better stop it. Brandon, when we doing some colors? Like, what we doing next? What's next? Alright guys, so it is time to get our wig collections and our hair game on point. I will have Brandon's information in the description box so you guys can order your units from him. Okay, you guys see how bomb these units are. I don't even want to take this off my head yet. Let me know in the comment section which unit is your favorite style that I tried on. So yeah guys, as far as my natural hair, I'm probably going to wash my hair tomorrow, braid it up, and I'm back in my wig units. Okay, I am about that wig life gang. So let me know in the comment section which was your favorite unit, and let Brandon know that I sent you. Okay, so we got to get this hair popping. All our hair got to be looking good. Look, a girl just can't help it. Okay, I haven't even taken this wig off. I'm still running my hands through it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.